All right, what's up, everybody? I'm over here at my second garden, and it's getting late. I need to still fertilize a lot of these plants. I just wanted to show you, just give you an update of the progress of the growth of this no dig, no till method. Um, all these plants that you see are actually growing using containers as a base, but the bottom is cut out of them. I have okra, watermelon, cantaloupe, squash, pumpkin, all type of stuff growing from these containers. I just wanted to show you these okra plants. These is Jing orange okra. The okra shoots all down here. It's sending out lots of okra. Watermelon plants on the borders are finally starting to vine out. Cantaloupe, squash. And we have some nice varieties in here, like over here. I believe this is Bradford. No, this is Sick. One of these. All right, this is Bradford right here. Bradford watermelon. So we have some well-known ones. Sick. This Siscoon squash. So some different varieties for you guys. All right. Have about 100 watermelon varieties. About 100 cantaloupe that's planted. And about, that's that. I don't know how many squash, not too many. I wanted to show these fruits also. So here's a Japanese long cucumber that I just harvested, and I'll show you a couple baby cucumbers in a second. Japanese long. This one actually went too long, so it started turning yellow, so I'm going to save seeds from this. But I'm going to use this to make squash noodles or zucchini noodles or cucumber noodles. That's a cucumber. I have a couple apple melons over here. These are another type of cantaloupe with a thin skin. And then back here you can see a few bitter melons, 4 of them. This one actually, the melon popped open. I didn't rip it open or anything. The melon popped open on its own, and that's what the bitter melon does once it's fully ripe, once it fully turns orange and the seeds pop out. So there's four bitter melons in here. This is the Taiwan white variety. You can see how large this one is. I'm going to save seed from this, so I'm going to allow this one to pop open on its own also. Since this is the largest one, I'm going to use this as my personal seed stock. And then this one here I harvested. I'll call this the perfect time to harvest this one. Right there. So I came right in time. And then I have one back here growing. There's a couple more bitter melons in there. Show you some of those Japanese long cucumbers. And see if that red dragonfly is still on the Jing orange plant. Nope, it flew off. There's a red dragonfly over there. You can see this Japanese long cucumber plant climbing up this okra quite nicely. So the only thing I have left to harvest is all this okra. Just look at the sheer amount. There's a lot of it here. Pull that dead bloom off. There's so much okra I gotta harvest. Wow. And as I said, all the plants, they're growing from these containers. You can see how small they are. They're vining out and producing. Have some cucumbers down here that's still swelling up. It's another Japanese long. All this has to fatten up and it'll be ready. Some orange glow watermelons forming. So it's going good, guys. Another apple melon that I missed. Or 2 more. 1, 2. That one fell off the vine on its own. Alright, y'all, so that's my update for today, guys. We'll go take a look at the bounty, except for the okra, since I haven't harvested it yet. Everything down here is the bounty. Getting caught on the vine. So that's all the bounty, guys. Except for that big one up there and that small one back there, that small bitter melon. Starting from here, that's all the bounty for today. I say that's quite nice. I got me some seeds to save from this bitter melon. I have me a bitter melon to eat. That's in the perfect stage. Have a few apple melons to eat. And a cucumber to turn into spaghetti noodles. And then I have a cucumber to save seeds from. Then I have a bunch of okra. The okra. Alright, y'all. That's my update. See y'all soon.